We were really proud to become part of Future 50. One of the main benefits, I think, was the fact that all of a sudden we had increased visibility through the media. We've had quite a lot of articles in the EDP. We also had a great opportunity to meet some like-minded businesses and attend some fantastic seminars. I would say Future 50 is perfect for any business of any size that is doing something different or unusual or looking to expand. Joining Future 50 is a big thing for everybody, and the seminars have been absolutely amazing. So we've learnt loads of new things. Getting access to information and people in the know has been something that we didn't have before. The business was set up 6 years ago as a one-man band. We're now employing around 21 full-time members of staff, which is a massive achievement, and we're very proud of what we've done. Joining Future 50 has just been very good for us.